लेकिन मीडिया की
Rotation.
थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाए जस्ट कम या चलो छोड़ दो उसको पकड़ना चलो चलो जगह दे जगह दे दे यहाँ से जगह And here we see that wherever the strong are concerned, we have always seen that the United Nations has not been able to prevent the strong from butchering the weak. When it came to Afghanistan, we see that they've applied sanctions there because of one man, a whole population is going to be destroyed and impoverished. And on the other hand, when we see the Russians blatantly butchering the Chechen people, there is absolutely nothing the United Nations is doing. In fact, the world community is helping Russia by providing loans and aid through the IMF. And Tehreek-e-Insaf feels very strongly that this is going to cause more extremism in the Muslim world, because this unfairness and this blatant injustice being perpetuated is going to increase extremism in the Muslim world. And the world community should not be surprised to see that in Afghanistan also the Muslims are suffering, in Chechnya also the Muslims are suffering, and there are complete double standards in both cases. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
अल्लाह अकबर। इमरान खान जिंदाबाद। तहरीक-ए-इंसाफ जिंदाबाद। रूसी साम्राज्य मुर्दाबाद। रूसी साम्राज्य मुर्दाबाद।
रूसी साम्राज्य
बंद करो, शर्म करो, हया करो, कत्लेआम बंद करो, शर्म करो, हया करो, कत्लेआम बंद करो।
सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सबका शुक्रगुजार हूं कि आप आज आए, और ये बड़ा ज़रूरी था कि हम जो कत्लेआम चेचनिया में हो रही है उसके खिलाफ, और असल में हम यूनाइटेड नेशन से तो ये कहना चाहते हैं कि किसी को भी